everyone and welcome back to my channel. A quick KnitCrate unboxing. I haven't done one in a while because KnitCrate seem to, I don't know, they just don't come anymore on the month that they're supposed to come. So this one here is May and we're in July. This came a couple of weeks ago and I kept it there to the side to film this video, but I didn't get around to do it. So today is the day. So this is May 2021 KnitCrate unboxing, and it's called Happy Little Skeins. And as you can see, we have two skeins of suri, alpaca and cashmere. So 90% suri alpaca, 10% cashmere worsted weight, 137 meters per 100 grams. And I have two skeins of them, and I have to say they are the most soft yarns that I have ever felt. They are very drapey, so I don't know where the drape comes from. They're not fluffy at all, so quite heavy. As you can see in the skein, they almost look like 50 grams, but they're 100 grams each, which kind of tells you how heavy they are. Just by holding it, it's quite floppy. But they are gorgeous and they have a very beautiful halo. So they're, it's a grey. The colorway is called Clouds Are Very, Very Free. It's more like a silvery grey. I think from the cashmere, I don't know what gives it sheen. When I touch it, it feels quite cold. I don't know. I've never had this kind of yarn before, but it's really, really nice. The KnitCrate also came with two extras, and they're two progress keepers. They're really cute. They look like earrings. They're very cute. And here is the booklet. So in here, it tells you the theme and inspirations, and they give you the pictures that they chose for this this month. And then let's see if I can find the patterns. Yeah, here we go. So these are the patterns. As you can see, we have a knitted cowl from this beautiful yarn. It's got some sort of lace in it. Then a crochet hat. And this one is Casey Herley High. Don't know how to read that. Or this. And then the sock crate would have had these patterns in it. A knit pattern and a crochet pattern, but I do not have the sock crate. But in the booklet, you get the patterns for the membership KnitCrate and also for this sock crate, which is amazing. And let's see if I can find a more in-depth picture of the... Yeah, here's another picture of the cowl. And I can see how this works really well as a cowl because of the heaviness of the yarn. It kind of falls down and it hangs nicely. And then we have the crochet hat. You can't see it very well, but if you go on Ravelry, you will see all the patterns individual, so you can purchase the patterns individually if you want. I like this pair of socks and I like that yarn. It almost looks like a tweed sock yarn. Yeah. Oh, lovely. It's got this leaf decoration and a picot edge top. And then here is the crochet version. Looks all right. And also the theme for the following month, which is June. I haven't received mine yet, but it's called Mirage. So I have a feeling it's gonna be some orangey rustic colors. I don't know, but it's beautiful. So if you're not familiar with KnitCrate, it's a yarn membership. You pay monthly and you receive beautiful yarn with patterns and sometimes an extra. The yarn usually retails, like one skein will retail anywhere between 25 to 35 US dollars, especially this alpaca cashmere. I'm sure that is quite expensive. For a membership KnitCrate, you pay $24.99 and you get a lot more yarn than a skein. You get 2 skeins and 4 patterns and an extra. For the sock membership, I think you pay $19.99 and you would get 1 skein of sock yarn plus the patterns to either knit or crochet. So if you're struggling to know what to knit or what pattern to use, then this would be a nice start to kind of build your confidence into choosing yarn for different projects. Usually in the KnitCrate you get a shawl, a hat, mittens, gloves, socks. So rarely you would get a garment, and that's because you don't get that much yarn. When it's a 4-ply or a fingering weight and you get 2 skeins, I have to say that I've knitted tees, like t-shirts, out of 2 skeins and they work perfectly fine. So not with the KnitCrate pattern, but with my own pattern. So yeah, this is May KnitCrate 2021. Very, very late, but I'm so grateful that it's here and I'm excited about this yarn. It's just gorgeous. I wish that you could feel it. I don't know what I'm going to knit with it. Might be the cowl. I don't think it will be the hat because alpaca tends to grow and I wouldn't want a hat that would just grow every year. So maybe a cowl, maybe a scarf, because it's very, very soft to be close to the skin. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.